Okay, so I am so excited. I'm using this new TikTok apparatus. Anyway, so I just want to talk to you guys about disputing. If you're in the process of disputing, meaning that you're removing negative items or you cleaning up stuff that shouldn't even be on your credit report. Also, if you are a victim of identity theft and you're trying to recapture life or get back on track, here are a few tips that you can do to kind of get yourself back on the right track to get good credit, move into the 700 800 club. One is opening up a secure line of credit, meaning that you use your money to back the line of credit, whether it could be 200 and on up. It's several different options that they have. One of them is the credit card builder. I have it in my the link in my bio. Also, you can go to like different banks or credit unions where you can get a line of credit or a loan, a secure loan, meaning that you can fund that loan. And if you have a few $100, maybe $1,000 around, maybe 2,000, where you can open up two secure loans where you can put 500 in each one, and then get two secure credit cards and put 500 on each credit card, meaning now that you have 4 positive trade lines reporting on your consumer report. And within 30 to 45 days after receiving the card and using it and paying it down, and by the statement date, you should see a positive increase on your credit report. Remember, in order to have credit, you have to have something reporting. So even if you have a credit card sitting around and you're not using it, try to use it and do not completely pay it off. Try to keep it under 10%. Better is 2 to 3%, meaning that if you go make a purchase for $100, pay it down to at least $10 minimum to keep on the credit card. And also remember that they report on you at the day after your closing date or the statement date. And if you want to find out about the statement date, the closing date, you can just call the creditors and ask, hey, when is my statement date or when is the closing date? And then they kind of give you a window on when they will report, and then you can just rinse and repeat and keep doing it. And then sooner or later, once you remove from the secure part of it, you can go over into the get unsecured credit cards, meaning that you'll have more capital available. And then if you're a person that's trying to build business credit, it's going to look good with you, because the relationships that you build with these banks, you can also build it on the business side as well, because banks like to have relationships with their customers, meaning that they are willing to give you something after they have done business with you. So it's just a few tips to kind of consider when you're trying to rebuild your credit history or rebuild your credit score. So if you're looking for more tips like this, follow, share, and save this video. Also, if you need any credit builder credit cards, you can click the link in my bio. I have a couple of things up in my link tree. Also, if you need help with removing anything that is derogatory from your consumer report, negative items, delinquencies, anything you name,